lesson, the objective is that the student will be able to find the factors of a given number. We'll first review what it means for a number to be divisible by a second number. A number is divisible by a second number if the remainder is 0 when the number is divided by this second number. For example, 20 is divisible by 5 since 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4, remainder 0. 20 is divisible by 4 since 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, remainder 0. 20 is not divisible by 7 since 20 divided by 7 is equal to 2, remainder 6. The remainder is not 0. So 4, 4, and 5, the remainder is 0, so 20 is divisible by each of these numbers. It's not divisible by 7, though, because the remainder is not 0 when you divide 20 by 7. Now we can use this idea to determine the factors of a given number. A number is a factor of a given number if the given number is divisible by this number. For example, 5 is a factor of 20 since 20 is divisible by 5. 4 is a factor of 20 since 20 is divisible by 4. And 7 is not a factor of 20 since 20 is not divisible by 7. An easy way to find a list of factors of a given number is to make a list of numbers that are no more than half of the given number, and then determining which of these numbers are factors of the given number. We also list the number itself. So, for example, to find a list of factors of 20, we see that half of 20 is 10. So we list all of the numbers up to 10 starting at 1 and include 20, and that's what we've done here. Now, we take each of these numbers and we see if 20 is divisible by this number. If so, it can join the list of factors. So, 20 divided by 1 is 20, remainder 0, so 1 is a factor of 20, it goes on the list. For 2, 20 divided by 2 is 10, remainder 0, so remainder is 0, so it is a factor. 3, 20 divided by 3, the remainder is not 0, so it doesn't go on the list. For 4, 20 divided by 4 is 5, remainder is 0, so it does go on the list, etc., etc. So we get a list of factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and then the 20 itself. That's how we get a list of factors. So let's look at an example. Determine if 40 is divisible by each of the given numbers. So I'm just going to put the answer here. That'll be the easiest. So 40 divided by 3, the remainder is not 0, so for that one it's no. For 4, 40 divided by 4 is 10, so remainder 0, so it is. 5, it is. 12 is not, because 40 divided by 12 gives a remainder that's not 0. 20 is, and 40 is. So those are the answers for number 1. Now, in number 2, list all the factors of 30. Okay, so we're going to list all the numbers up to 15, because 15 is half of 30. And then 30 itself. So now, to get the factors, we go through this list and we see if the 30 is divisible by that number. Well, it is for 1. 30 divided by 2 is 15, remainder 0, so it is. 3, yes. 4, no. So we don't include it, because 30 divided by 4 does not give a remainder of 0. 5, yes. 6, yes. And 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. Yes for 10. 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. 14, no. 15, yes. And, of course, 30. So that's the list of the factors.